Okay, so now we're going to start the next one, which is the nutrition facts. So then we're going to make directory nutrition. Oh, whoops. It was make dr. And then we're going to change directory to nutrition. And then we're going to code. Yeah. Nutrition. .py. Okay. So, this one's going to be super simple, super quick, because I'm just going to copy paste for, all the information in. So that's the basics. So we're doing a dictionary which involves a key value pair. So you have your key, which is the apple, and then the value at which it is. And then dictionaries have a brace or a curly bracket. And now, what do we gotta do? Whenever a users input a fruit, case insensitivity, then outputs the number in calories. Okay, so we need to get a user input first. So user input is then equal to input, and what do they say? What are they? Item. Okay, and now for the key, which would be like apple or pear, in our dictionary of fruits, for each key, if that key is in user input, which is all lowercase, then we're going to print calories. And then we're going to print fruits key, right? Because if the key is in the user output, then we're gonna use the key. That's how we access the dictionary values. What's new in Python? Types deprecated, removed. Oh my god, no. I'm just looking for dictionaries. An associative array where arbitrary keys are mapped keys objected with hash and equal methods. Can be hashed in Perl. Oh, call a hash in Perl, okay. Dictionary comprehension. Yeah, because I would want to access the. Anyways, okay, let's give it a shot. Well, half the fun is figuring out where you went wrong. Okay. So we're going to Python. Nutrition.py. We should get an item. Perfect. Apple should print out 130. Okay. Okay. Avocado 50. Then we'll tomato should kick us right now. Okay. All right. I'm still confused as to why it's doing that. You can access the items by referring to its key name. Okay, so you only refer to its key name. You don't refer to the value item. So in this particular case, if we look at it, it's a variable list. So every single item in the list is apple, avocado, banana, blah, 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 blah. But the variable of that is equal to the value. Okay. Yep. Nope. That makes sense. Okay, that was really quick too. It was faster because I had all this already saved up. So let's do a check 50 and make sure that I have it right. Right, copy. Oh, control insert. Okay, we're good. All right.